Okay, we've already talked about your sprint, which is right here. So if you flip this page over, it brings you to your problem set for today. On the top, you are going to practice your ones and zeros facts. You can draw pictures if that helps. Down here, you are going to decide which mouse goes to which cheese. So I've got n divided by 1 equals 8. So is my n 0, 9, 3, 8, 6, or 1? Hopefully you said n equals 8. So you draw a line from this cheese to this mouse. Down here at the bottom, it says, let n be a number. Complete the blanks below with the products. Another word for product in a multiplication sentence is the answer. 1 times 1, tell me the answer. 2 times 1, tell me the answer. All the way, and then you get to decide. You get to decide. You get to decide any number for this, n. So any number times 1 equals what? And then right down here it says, what pattern do you notice? So you're going to write a little sentence there telling me which pattern you notice. When you're done with this, please take a picture and upload it to Seesaw.